Hello everyone, welcome to Astronomy session. In today's session, we will be learning about space missions, its importance and the purpose for human life. Humans have always looked up into the night sky and dreamed about space. Humans are known for their curiosity and thinking power. Curiosity of human minds have found no limits. Since the time of telescope invention in 1600s, our urge to explore more has been constantly increasing. We just didn't want to stop by observing the celestial objects, but want to take over different positions in the universe. Such is our capacity. Soon we began to design machines which can carry us into space, just like how aircrafts carry humans till the sky. Spacecrafts carry humans into the space, such as rockets and satellites. This has taken us to various heights in astronomy, like trying to come out of Earth's gravity, explore the surroundings, sending satellites to Moon and other planets. Achieving the space technology has enabled humans to begin explore our neighboring surroundings, like solar system and the moons of planets, asteroids, comets, etc. Human space exploration helps to address fundamental questions about our place in the universe and the history of our solar system. Russians were the first to design and develop a satellite called Sputnik. Sputnik in Russian means fellow traveler. Sputnik 1 was launched on October 4, 1957. Its main aim was to observe the upper layers of the Earth's atmosphere and send information through radio signals down to the planet. It circled our planet for every 1.5 hours for about 3 months, entered our atmosphere and burnt itself. Second attempt was Sputnik 2 on November 3, 1957. This time it was launched into space and with a fellow traveler for sure. The fellow traveler was a dog named Laika. It was planned to study the effects caused by the space traveler on living beings, especially humans. Laika was planned for a 10-day stay in space, but unfortunately, it lasted for an hour as some of the life support systems malfunctioned. Soon after Russians were developing the space missions, Americans were keen and eager to launch the missions too. The first American space mission, named Explorer 1, was launched on 1 February 1958. Its main aim was to study about the magnetic field around the Earth. It orbited the Earth for about 12 years around and gave us valuable information regarding the atmosphere. Many space satellites were launched over the years for various scientific purposes, like to study about the Earth's atmosphere, surface, both inner and outer planet's atmosphere, satellites of all the planets, etc. Not all were successful though. Soon, we did learn that space missions were not an easy job. After understanding the space environment, it was humans who entered to initiate the scientific study, like collecting space samples such as meteoroids, asteroids, space debris, etc. We found that it is essential to know what exactly the space is made up of. Once again, it was Russian who made this too. Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin was the first human to land in space. Astronauts in Russia are called as Soviet cosmonauts. He entered the space on April 12 in the year 1961. The mission was named as Vostok 1. He orbited the Earth for about 108 minutes before its re-entry. Humans entering into the space was very essential because such was our curiosity, to know more deeper and to understand better. Many missions were sent into the space over the years. Many failed and few succeeded. Our urge to invade the space multiplied and soon we did. You must have heard famous mission known as Apollo 11 mission, which landed on the moon. It was launched on July 16, 1969 by Saturn V rocket. It carried about 12 men, out of which 4 are still living: Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, Pete Conrad, and Michael Collins. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon. The mission was aimed to study the moon's surface and understand its characteristics. They carried about 120 kg on lunar soil back to Earth to analyze its chemical composition. After Russians and Americans, Indians studied and worked on the same line to achieve success in the space science. We have a space agency known as Indian Space Research Organization, called ISRO shortly. It was founded on 15 August 1969. It is situated in Bangalore, Karnataka. We Indians have launched about 70 plus satellites. Aryabhatta was the first satellite launched for the communication purpose in the year 1975 on April 19. Chandrayaan-1 was our first lunar probe launched on October 22, 2008. It was launched into the polar orbit. Its main aim was to study the mineralogical and surface mapping. Sooner, we launched the mission to Mars known as Mangalyaan on November 5, 2013. Today, scientists all over the world across the countries are working towards the development of space science and missions. We as humans want to explore all the possibility to enter into space. We want to explore and know if there is any existence of mankind somewhere else in the universe. We would like to know if there is any intelligent beings like us designing space missions to explore our planet just like how we do. We would like to know if we can solve many of the unanswered questions of our lives, like how did we come, why did we come, and why are we existing on this planet, and look into the purpose for the same. Like you learned in our previous video about the moving space lab called ISS, which is conducting many space experiments in the space itself. We have an interesting mission coming up in 2 years for people to land on the Mars. We want to soon go live on another planet, since Mars is closer and has similar environmental conditions and even rotational period close to that of the Earth. We have chosen Mars as our target. It would be very interesting and exciting to our neighboring planet, as we have to do farming for food, build houses for us to stay, shopping malls, hospitals, schools, etc. Exciting, isn't it? Just like how we build a house, we have to build a complete planet when we land on it. Really exciting. By the time you grow up, space missions would be just like airplanes. Celestial objects would be our tourist spots, just like how we travel all over the world. We shall soon be traveling all over the space. Yes, it feels so exciting and amazing. But at the same time, it's important that we take care of our planet too. Living on Mars is yet to be explored, but planet Earth will always be our first and only home with all the essential factors like good food, good environment, good humans, animals, etc. Traveling to the space has many disadvantages like too costly, need more fuel, design superfast satellites, health issues, etc. Through this session, let's promise to take care of our planet Earth like we take care of ourselves. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.